Hi, welcome back to the farm. Today we're working on a baler that a customer brought in. And one of the new idea 484, what happened is the rear roll on this side, the bearing went bad, it fell all apart, so it wouldn't turn this roll. This is like an idler roll on the back here. So we took the roll out, and it's been wearing like that for quite a while. This is supposed to be a hex shaft here, and it's all rounded right over. Show you on the other side. And there's the hex shaft. So I'll have to build that other side up and grind it down back into shape. And I'll order up a new bearing off eBay. It's a 1 1/4 inch hex shape inside diameter. There's some pretty cheap ones on eBay for $19. So we'll get that ordered up. Then all we got to do is weld up the hex shape on that to fix that and put it back together. Okay, this is a few days later. We finally got the new bearings for the roll. There's the part number for them. This is a 1 1/4 inch hex shape, internal hex. And as you can see, the outside has a roundness to the bearing, and it goes into the bearing holder, and then you tilt it and it stays in. Now, we were looking at this hex here. We thought it was rounded off pretty good there, but it's still got the flats on it, so we didn't need to hold it pretty good yet, spinning, so we didn't need to do any welding on it. So let me show you how this goes into the holder. And there's the old bearing right there in the holder, as you can see. And to get the bearing out or put a new one in, since it's rounded, you have to line it up with the these little cutouts. And this is rounded in here to match this. And you put it in there, and then you rotate it, and it locks in. So we'll get this back together, and then get the roll properly tensioned on the belts. Well, now we have the roll back in, and the divider for the belts, or the scraper, goes all across on top of the roll. Keep the chaff from getting caught up in the belts. We got them adjusted pretty good for now. And here's the adjustment plate, all back in there. So it should be ready to go now. Have to run it and see where the belts are tracking. If they're over this way or over that way, you gotta tighten them to get them to track nice and straight. So he should be ready to go baling pretty soon here. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See See you in the next video.